Hi, welcome to Guided by Faith Designs presents Woodworking and Painting in Faith. In the below description, not only will you find the links to my Facebook page, my website, as well as a way to help support my channel, but you are also going to find a list of materials used in the upcoming video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know. I hope you enjoy this video, and God bless. Hi, welcome back to the table. So as you can see, we have a whole bunch of colors in front of us. And if you guessed beach pour, you are correct. We are going to do a 3-panel beach pour. So this is a fully only DecoArt painting. So the colors we have are DecoArt Americana-Ocean Blue, DecoArt Americana Desert Turquoise, DecoArt Americana Sky Blue, DecoArt Americana Ultra Deep Blue, and DecoArt Dazzling Metallics Ice Blue, and then also the DecoArt Americana Sea Breeze. So that's going to be our ocean. And then for our beach, we have the DecoArt Americana Fawn, DecoArt Americana Burlap, DecoArt Americana Buttermilk, which is a very beautiful color, and the DecoArt Americana Khaki Tan. And then for the waves, we have the DecoArt Americana Snow Titanium White. And I also added a little touch of the sea breeze to it, just to give us a sea foamy white color. I don't know if you can see it because of the light, but the white has a sea foam tint to it. The lighting in here is, I cannot wait to move into my studio where the lighting is going to be better. Okay, so I am going to get all of this mixed and out of the way. Our pouring medium today is the DecoArt Pouring Medium, and we've added just a touch of water to them, and we are going to get these moved out of the way and the canvases set up, and we're going to get ready to paint. Okay, we're back. As you can see, I have my frame in front of us so we can use it for the tilting. And here are our canvases. Now I do have the pins on the back of them. This is actually going to help them when I start moving them, that they don't slide off. They're actually going to, so they might slide a little bit, but the pins will actually keep them from like falling off. Okay, so we've got our 3 canvases. As you can see, they are prepped in kind of the design that I want to go with. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit higher. Okay, that's a lot better. Okay, the canvases were prepped with DecoArt Americana True Blue was the blue. And then the DecoArt Americana Fawn is our tan fawn color. And one of the ways to get the most cohesiveness when you're doing something like this, instead of just pouring on one side, we're going to put different cups, and then we're going to drag them in different directions and hopefully mix them all together. All right, let's get started. Okay, I think we are going to leave it right there. I'm sorry about that glare again. I'm setting up my new studio, and so we're going to have better lighting and all that kind of stuff whenever the studio is done. Hopefully we're going to have that finished the next couple of weeks. We just put up the accent wall, and we still have to put up the drywall and mud and paint and put in the flooring and the carpet and all that kind of stuff. So we are done for now. We are going to let this dry, and then we'll be back for our vinyls. See y'all soon. Hi, and welcome back. Everything is all dry. So again, we've got the glare over here. Still working on my studio. Hopefully we're going to be able to get rid of the glare. So this piece is done. So that's that one. And we have our centerpiece and then our outside. And this could actually be displayed two ways. It could be displayed just further apart, or if you want to do them closer, the waves actually match up really well if you do a staggered type painting. So, or type hang. So it's whichever you would like to do. I have decided not to put any vinyls on this one. I haven't really found one that really, I think, works. But let me know what you think in the comments. If you think there should be a vinyl on there, and then maybe we'll do a part 2 to this video and put the vinyl on there if there's a really good consensus of what people think should be on there. So this one is done. It does have a couple of coats of spray lacquer on it, so I'm going to leave it the way it is. But I did want to give y'all a vinyl piece. So this is actually one of the paintings I did a while ago. I don't think I'd ever videoed it. See if I can get y'all to see that better. So we are going to go ahead and we are going to put a vinyl on this one, and then we're going to resin it all together. Because I want to give y'all a vinyl piece, because I know a lot of y'all really like that. So this is what we're putting on this one. And as always, these vinyls are available on my website at guidedbyfaithdesigns.net. Okay, so that is all done. We are going to put a couple of coats of spray lacquer on it to seal it in, and then we will put some resin on it. We'll be back. Hi, we are all back. It is all dried, so I took it outside and I put a couple coats of spray lacquer on it, but I also wanted to give it a little bit more of adherence and kind of structure, because I decided not to put resin on this one. I kind of like the mutedness of it, and I don't want to make it really vibrant. So all I did is I took this Mod Podge and a foam brush, and I'm sorry I didn't do it on camera. I did it really quick this morning. And I just put a coat, just one brush coat of Mod Podge. And some people do get brush strokes, so if I turn this canvas, you can kind of see some of the brush strokes in there. But if you're looking straight on at it, you can't really see the brush stroke. So don't be afraid to use Mod Podge as another type of sealant. If you don't want to use resin, you can use the Mod Podge to actually secure your vinyls to your canvas if you don't want to use resin and you kind of want that extra support. I think I'm going to keep this one, and I'm going to hang it in my new studio, which I'm really hoping to be able to show y'all in a couple weeks. We still need to paint and put in the floors and put in the carpets. And then, of course, I have to build my desk and get everything in there and get moved in. But it's going to be really exciting once it's done. I will have a new place to do some unboxing for you and film some new videos and really expand outside of where I'm at in my current office. So look forward to that. Thank you very much for watching. Please, if you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comments section and I will do my best to get back to you. As always, stay tuned at the end of the video for the finished shots. And I got some beautiful pictures of the macro, or got some beautiful macro shots of the ocean pour. So stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that little notification button so you will be notified whenever I have new stuff coming, which is, it's really starting to roll in and we have a lot of exciting stuff coming. And don't forget to like and share. Down in the description, as always, you will find all of the materials used to do the beach pour, as well as the links to my website, my Facebook page, my Instagram, and my Twitter. Wow, I said that weird. My Twitter. Please go follow me on Instagram and follow me on Twitter. I'm really trying to grow those outlets, and so I'm starting to use them more. So go find the links below and go follow me, so you can see some of the other stuff that's coming up that might not be on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook. Also at the bottom of the description is a link to my Fund Me account if you would like to help support my channel. And that is all I have for you today. So again, like, subscribe, share with your friends. Go follow me on all those social media accounts. Stay tuned at the end of the video for all of the up-close shots, the macro shots, and the finished products. As always, everybody have a blessed day, and God bless.